Gentlemen, a quick video. I'm just going to show you our results for today. Today we're up $1,200. 29 trades were made. Out of the 29, 28 have already been closed, and of those, 26 were profitable and only 2 were losses. Almost 93% effectiveness. 15 profitable traders. Take a look at today. 15 people earned $1,225. The top earner was this user, CC63, with $500 followed by $230 and $188. And as you can see, here you have this complete list all the way to the end, right? Who exactly earned how much? And I'll show you how it went for me today. Let's go into auto trading. The history on this account. Cardano and Filecoin opened for me and closed in profit. At the moment, I have some open positions. Let's see. Positions. I have 2 open positions on Ethereum and on Polkadot. Everything works automatically. Maybe wait a moment, I'll switch to one account, probably this one. Right now I want to see what I had here. Polkadot. I'll show you something cool in the history. Oh, here's Polkadot. Wait, let's open the chart. Look, how absolutely incredibly well this worked. Right here was the entry. Yes, Tim? The entry was positioned exactly right here. And after a few hours, here was the exit, the closing. Beautiful. I'll show you on the exchange here as well. Everything works automatically on its own. Here, at the moment, my strategy is set up so that I open longs when the RSI is very low. I actually play more shorts. So to enter, I'll show you here, maybe also in the settings. To enter a short, wait, let's go into the settings. Whenever I'm looking to execute a short position, the relative strength index needs to be sitting right at 75. Let me double check that. Yes, it is 75, and in order to successfully enter a long trade, the indicator must be positioned well below 15. So normally, if I did this symmetrically, it should be 25 here, but I have it set lower. So I want to play fewer longs, I want to play more shorts. But when we're in a bull market, right? I don't know when that will be. In half a year. In a year, there will be a bull market, then we'll do it the other way around. So I'll start opening longs from 25 and shorts, for example, only from 85. So I'll want to play shorts less often and focus more on playing longs, because that's obvious. Because when we're in a bull market, we go long more, right? We open longs. And when we're in a bear market, well, it's more profitable to play shorts. Of course, you can also do some backtesting to check if that's really the case, but I believe that's how it is, and that's exactly how I play. There's a cool new feature, guys. If you go to, well, TookPL or use the link in the video description to start using Lunavio at all, you need to create an account on Lunavio and also on the Bitunix exchange if you're outside the European Union. If you're in the European Union, then you have the OKX exchange. Here are some videos, but they're still incomplete. Very soon there will be, well, a much larger collection of them. And they'll be professional videos. But we'll only record them once. Once what? Once we have all of Lunavio nicely finished. That's how it's supposed to be. Like, that's going to be the finish, right? It will be completed like that. Today, Mateusz has already introduced a feature that when we enter the dashboard, for completely new users, to start auto trading, we no longer have to go into the settings. We can just do it here directly from the dashboard. We simply click launch, and then we are carefully guided step by step through the entire process of launching the strategy. At the end, I'll just add, thanks for the likes and subs, but the most important thing is this. Remember that investing is very risky. You can lose your entire capital. This video is not investment advice. Also, the results I just showed you are not a guarantee that they will be similar in the future. This video is an advertisement and self-promotion. The material is intended for people outside the European Union. Expand this video for more details. At the bottom of the video, in the description, there is a disclaimer. Also remember that Lunavio does not make investment decisions independently. We take the time to manually configure the Lunavio system ourselves based on our needs, and then it handles all the trades automatically on our behalf, but it only operates strictly within the specific scope and the exact parameters that we have allowed and specified for it. Isn't that right? You tell it what to do, at what RSI it should open, when it should close, and it does that. You tell it which coins to trade, and it does that. Lunavio does not make decisions on its own. Lunavio is not like ChatGPT or, I don't know, some robot that makes decisions by itself without our knowledge and consent. That's not how it works. Just to remind you once again, all the videos are on tuk.pl. Tuk.pl. Take care. Bye.